Do you know that each minute after an attack reduces the survival rate by 10%? And after 15 minutes buried by an avalanche, the chance to find someone alive decreased by 3% every minute. Basically, we have 15 minutes to give a first aid after an attack and 35 minutes to find someone under an avalanche. In this life or death scenario, how can we accept any delay?
In Survive, we developed one of the most used alerting application in Switzerland. 20 over 26 Swiss cantons are actually using our product. Sadly, Zurich is not one of them.
So we decided to embrace DevOps to improve our processes. So first of all, we started to break our monolith into microservices and migrating our deployment to a Kubernetes managed instance. This allowed us to work on different microservices at the same time, reducing the development speed. No, enhancing the development speed. Reducing.
It was the case one time when a customer asked us to add a simple like a new field in our product. So just simple for us, but it has a huge impact on him to find a patient. So we just implemented it in the microservice and we released it.
We're also building a stronger safety net by enhancing the number of our tests. And this will help us to make our software faultless because for our heroes, failure is not an option. So we are writing more tests, and Sonar helps us to keep track of the code coverage, and we can ensure more quality on the code we deploy in production.
Thanks to infrastructure as a code, disaster recovery is not just a dream, because now with Terraform and Argo CD, we are able to recreate the whole infrastructure in moments. So even also across different clouds. We also use Grafana and Prometheus as a real-time monitoring tool because we want to prevent that issues become urgent. So when seconds count, this is important.
We also have a lot of things to do in future. Our next milestone is automated versioning to streamline our release and have more time to work on things that have value. So to achieve this goal, I started my pet project, Rflow. This is an open source tool to automate semantic versioning together with the release flow branching strategy. So
also architecture-driven development and machine learning on the horizon, because we don't want only to react in real time, but we want to anticipate the needs of our customer and be ready with the response as soon as we receive the request.
We are also planning to automate documentation. So we will automate documentation REST with OpenAPI and for the events with async API. And we are also considering to migrate from Avro to JSON schema. So in this way, documentation evolves together with code, ensuring an ease of use for customers who integrates with us.
Each step we took and we are planning to take from continuous delivery, microservices, and so on is not just a simple improvement. This is the cumulative impact of our DevOps journey. As you can see from the graph that we created from the data of the monitoring tool that we have, in this example, we decreased it by 550% the time between the creation of an intervention and the moment when the rescue are alerted. So in absolute number, we passed from 2 minutes to 40 seconds. And when seconds count, this has a huge impact on saving lives of real person.
So our journey is far from over. DevOps for us is a continuous improvement path. And our aim is not only just innovate, but to enable rescuers out here.
This is a picture of our DevOps journey and how develop has an impact on real life person. So thank you for joining us and joining our experience in DevOps.